December 27th. Low ceilings along the Atlantic and Gulf coasts, lingering moisture across the southeast, and wind-driven impacts in the west are the primary operational themes today. Most of the country is not dealing with high-end convective risk, but several regions will require disciplined fuel, alternate and timing decisions due to ceilings, visibility, and wind-related constraints. Starting in the southeast and Gulf Coast, a moist low-level air mass remains entrenched beneath weak upper-level flow. From South Florida through coastal Georgia and the Carolinas, shallow maritime moisture is supporting periods of low stratus, patchy fog, and slow improvement through the day. Miami, Tampa, Jacksonville, and Melbourne will see the most persistent ceiling issues, particularly during the morning push, with gradual lifting inland but continued coastal sensitivity. Atlanta sits closer to the gradient edge, where ceilings may fluctuate, but operational impacts will be more episodic rather than persistent. Across Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana, widespread IFR is not expected to dominate, but localized reductions in visibility and ceilings remain possible near bodies of water and during early hours, especially near New Orleans, Mobile, and Houston terminals. Thunder potential today is marginal and isolated, driven more by low-level convergence than instability, so convection is not the planning driver, ceilings are. Moving north along the mid-Atlantic and northeast corridor, a cool, stable boundary layer supports widespread cloud cover with intermittent low ceilings, particularly from Virginia through New Jersey and southern New England. Washington, Baltimore, Philadelphia, and New York terminals may experience operational compression due to ceiling-driven arrival spacing rather than weather intensity. Farther inland toward western Pennsylvania and upstate New York, colder air and lingering moisture favor periods of reduced visibility and occasional light precipitation, but without a significant icing or convective threat at typical airline altitudes today. Across the Midwest and Great Lakes, conditions are comparatively benign but not pristine. Low-level moisture trapped beneath weak ridging supports overcast skies, with localized IFR possible near the lakes, especially in Michigan and northern Ohio. Chicago, Detroit, and Cleveland may see intermittent ceiling constraints, but widespread delays are unlikely unless compounded by traffic flow. In the Plains and Rockies, wind becomes the dominant factor. Surface pressure gradients support gusty conditions across eastern Colorado, Wyoming, and the High Plains, with mountain wave potential and moderate turbulence downwind of terrain. Denver, Cheyenne, and adjacent routes should anticipate turbulence below and near cruise levels, particularly on west-to-east flows. Along the west coast, a progressive Pacific pattern maintains breezy onshore flow and periodic lower ceilings. Northern California and the Pacific Northwest will see the most persistent cloud cover and gusty coastal winds, with San Francisco, Seattle, and Portland experiencing intermittent arrival impacts tied to ceilings rather than precipitation intensity. Southern California remains largely VFR, though local wind and terrain effects persist. Bottom line today is not widespread severe weather, but a ceiling and wind-driven operational day. Expect localized inefficiencies rather than systemic disruption, with the southeast coastal airspace and western mountain routes requiring the most attention.